Which animal's fingerprints are so similar to humans that they can confuse forensic investigators? Koala, chimpanzee, gorilla, orangutan. The correct answer is koala. What do you call someone who doesn't eat meat but eats fish? Herbivore, vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian. The correct answer is pescatarian. Pearls are produced inside the shell of which marine creature? Sea urchin, oyster, clam, mussel. The correct answer is oyster. In which fairy tale does a pumpkin magically turn into a carriage? Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella, Snow White, Rapunzel. The correct answer is Cinderella. Which country music star released the memoir Broken Music? Keith Urban, Sting, Garth Brooks, Blake Shelton. The correct answer is Sting. Which famous Roman leader formed a political and romantic alliance with Cleopatra after Julius Caesar's death? Mark Antony, Pompey the Great, Augustus, Nero. The correct answer is Mark Antony. Rubies were historically believed to possess which power? Healing properties, protection from evil, enhancing intuition, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the only number that does not have a Roman numeral representation? 0, 100, 50, 500. The correct answer is 0. What do you call an animal that eats only plants? Carnivore, omnivore, herbivore, insectivore. The correct answer is herbivore. Mongolia, the land of vast steppes and the legacy of Genghis Khan, has which city as its capital? Thimphu, Lhasa, Ulaanbaatar, Colombo. The correct answer is Ulaanbaatar. Nahuatl, the ancient language of the Aztecs, is still spoken today in which country? Mexico, Nicaragua, Nepal, Myanmar. The correct answer is Mexico. The CZK is the official currency of which country? Costa Rica, Kiribati, Czechia, Zimbabwe. The correct answer is Czechia. Who said, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood"? Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. Now, Isaac Newton, Galileo, Oliver Heaviside, Marie Curie. The correct answer is Marie Curie. What was the former capital city of Brazil? Fortaleza, São Paulo, Paraná, Rio de Janeiro. The correct answer is Rio de Janeiro. Which of these architects designed the Big Ben Tower? Herbert Bayer, Charles Bulfinch, Christopher Wren, Augustus Pugin. The correct answer is Augustus Pugin.